welcome to the main event in this corner, weighing in at 210 pounds, undefeated in 0 fights, current world no weight champion, Mills Miller time. And in this corner, weighing at 1 ounce apiece before drawing after shower, the twin amigos, Paqui. Let's get ready to rumble. Fight. What's going on, YouTube peeps? Got another episode of MILLERTIME Family Foods and Gardening. And what do we have on the agenda tonight? Well, actually, it's this evening. It's almost dark. It's almost dark. I had to let it cool down a little bit. It's been comfortable, but I just wanted to be a little more cool before I did this evening. And my gut was giving me a little bit of trouble today, so I was like, because I was going to do it this morning, and I changed my mind. Anyway, I'm going to do it now. So here's what we got. I've got twin brothers. The twin brothers. Oh, man, these guys are. Hey, Paco, don't mess around, homie. The dual. So say the dual chip. That's not the dual chip. That's the chip. What is that? The face off that'll melt your face off. Please don't get me started. I just wish people would get what we'd all could as a family, like do something to like rid some of the things that go on that are just money making scams in the chili community. I don't like it. I think it's wrong. And there's this dual chip that goes around claiming that they have the new hottest pepper in the world without any authority to say so. I just don't think it's cool. I just don't. There's no integrity for Mr. Ed and his crew or whoever's in charge of all that stuff to claim you've got something without the authority to say you got it. And I think it's wrong, and it's not. I think it's dishonest, and it's just puts a mark of just another mark of stigma upon the chili community already with its civil wars and its backbiting and its gossip and its attacks and its dirty work and all the stuff that goes on. And somebody could say that about me right now. But why are you talking about Ed Curry? He's a good guy. He believes in God and all this stuff. That may be true. He may believe in God, but he's gonna have to answer to God too if he does have stuff that's going on that's not right. And a lot of people use the God card, unfortunately, and hide behind the God card, and we'll all answer for it one day. Anyway, anyone that's done that chip that has any kind of has been around a little bit, and it's supposed to got this pepper X on it, and it's like, dude, it's not even that hot. Yeah, it's super hot to maybe somebody who's not doing chilies and who's not doing hot sauce and who's not hitting a bunch of hot stuff. Yeah, but you can't compare it like that. If this stuff has the supposedly pepper X, which has got, they were claiming 3 million Scoville on this thing. Come on, man. There's no integrity, man. And I just wish that there was a a collaboration of people that we just don't talk about it, or we make our little comments on our videos, or say this and have this conversation in Facebook. But there was a collaborative effort to move towards something that says, you know, we're not going to put up with that kind of stuff anymore. You know, it's like there's no integrity, and you're putting a stigma, a yucky stigma on the chili community as a whole. And unfortunately, there's a lot of people who just follow people like a dumb sheep, and they just, you know, believe that everybody's just this, you know, great human being, and there's no motivations behind things that happen. But money does a lot of funny things to people, and you don't have it. That's one thing you ain't got to worry about too much. When you don't have money, then you're not tempted to hang on to things and hang on, keep the power. But anyway, I'm just blabbling. Anyway, I'm taking on the Paqui one chip challenge, the twins here, and I was gonna make it a little more interesting even than just the 2 chips. I mean, why not, man? You only live once, and might as well go ahead and bring it on. So I got 2 chips here, and we're gonna call these guys the Paqui chip Sinister twins. Now, why are you calling them Sinister twins? I'm about to show you why. Hey, let's pop these bad boys open. I'm gonna go ahead and put put on my grampy specs. You know what I'm saying, shiny boys? I'll be 50 years old this year. 50 years old. And I'm married to a hot 35-year-old or 36. My wife's 36? 35, 36? Like robbing the cradle, Miller. Face the Reaper. You mean face the Primo. Anyway, I'm not a stick stir kind of guy. I'm a person of truth and integrity, and I think that's where we all need to be. And people that are up there in the uppity-ups that keep on pushing the envelope on false things, I think they need to be exposed and brought off their thrones, if you will. So I don't have to read all this stuff, man. You guys have watched probably 1,000 of these videos, man. It has all the instructions and all what it says in round 1, 2, 3, punch your face, roasted, round 5, you got it. I got a Paqui chip here, and I got a Paqui chip here. I've seen it done many times. And we're getting to the end of the year, and I figured, you know what? We better get it done before the year's over. I've had this in my closet for a couple months. We'll put the boxes over here. I know you have to at least do a 5-minute burn. I think that's the first stage. So what I'm going to do is we're going to open up the Paqui. Let's hope it's all in one piece. I heard this chip actually is kind of, I mean, I guess it's better than the first one or the other ones, but this one's broke. Look at that. Look at that. It's like broken 3 pieces. We'll just stack it. It tastes better than the last ones, but these are still, they say they're still pretty rough. So, but anyway, I can eat pretty nasty stuff. Both of my chips are busted up. They're just brown, busted up messes here. Yeah, a little bit. What's in the world? I guess, I mean, everybody probably gets theirs in the mail, I'd say, for the most part. But we're going to make a Paqui chip sandwich. Why did I call them Sinister a while ago? There's only one reason. And I'm going to take these glasses off. Before why I call them Sinister. I ain't got much left because I've been hitting the tank. That's because I've got Nick Kemps Hell Garden Sinister tincture, and we're gonna go ahead and make us a Sinister Paqui chip sandwich. All right, let's burn, shall we? I haven't been eating any peppers or anything, man. I think I ate 3 peppers in a row like 2 weeks ago. I've been doing tink, that's about it. and I've only been putting it in my coffee. I haven't even been doing it like raw, like, or straight in the. So there's a big bite. I might be getting myself in trouble with my lips if I ain't careful. Anyway, here we go. What? That's nasty. And start. We gotta wait 5 minutes. You know, I probably should have talked about all that stuff while I was burning, but I didn't. So anyway, I'm sweating pretty good. And the lips are burning a little bit. Mouth heating up. That was like chewing on cardboard. Just dusty, dry cardboard with some heat. Wow. Anyway, what can I do? Hopefully it don't get so hot I can't talk. I don't like that way. It gets so hot I can't talk. That's bothersome. Hiccups. Ay, ay, ay. Man, those hiccups. My mouth is probably about a 3. And I'm sweating pretty good in the forehead. But overall, it burns the whole mouth. Trying to see if it's going to get hotter. Maybe a little bit. But overall, it's not that bad. But it is burning. It's pretty good. Still uncomfortable. But you know. Cracking on the Paqui twins, Sinister twins. Pow pow. On the Amigos. It always burns worse when you blow your nose. Anyway, we are putting some. We got seasoning out. So once you guys watch my video, man, I got some awesome seasoning. I do cooking videos and stuff, and probably a lot of times the food tastes as magnificent as it does is because of the seasoning that I created. So if you guys want to get behind a small company and help support us, we're just trying to get off the ground, just launching. I'll leave a link to my just to message me on Messenger and get an order in for the. I got 3 of them actually. We got the whole shebang, original gangsta AP and everything Louisiana. So anyway, we appreciate any support on the seasoning, supporting us on this channel, you know, getting us likes and subscribing us to get some family members. I've already passed 5 minutes. So where is it at? Officially, I destroyed the Paqui Sinister Twin Brothers Challenge. Yeah. I'm just wondering how much less it would burn if I didn't put that Sinister on it. I really could taste that Sinister in it when I first was chewing on it. What does it say here as far as like the times go? 1 hour. Not sitting on a video for an hour. I mean, I guess we could sit on a video for an hour and I could just speed it up. I mean, the burn's already starting to go down. So, unless I blow my nose again. When you blow your nose, man, it's like, it burns, man, it like fries on the back of the tongue. Also, I'm doing a giveaway pretty soon. I made up I want to say a bunch, but a bunch of seasoning, or not seasoning, a bunch of sauces. And I'm getting them sampled right now. Put some feelers out there and get some feedback on them. Just a couple of people's opinions to before I go sending any gifts out. But we are going to be doing, on the giveaway, I'm going to be doing asking that people pay for the shipping. I'll give away the free bottle if you'll pay me like, I don't know, let's say $6. And make some more food videos too. Matter of fact, I might make one tonight. After this video here, record another one. I'm gonna make a breakfast. Man, it's awesome. I just made it up, and it's a breakfast casserole. Off the chain. You want to check that out? Make that. Anyway, I love you guys. I'm gonna let this go 10 minutes. Oh, we got 30 seconds. I love you guys. It says I'm powerful for going 10 minutes. It's already wore off. About 5 minutes, it started going down. It says if you quit at 5 minutes, you're powerless. So whatever. So I can sit here for a whole hour. Who's on? I'm not. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I'll sit here for a whole hour. No. All right, guys. You see it. 10 minutes plus. Love you guys. Thank you for watching.